Hello there, it's the August monthly setup. Hello there, it's August. And hello everybody, welcome back to another Play On Me video this week. In this video, we'll be setting up for the month of August. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and tell your friends I'll be posting a new monthly setup every single month of the year. And if they would like to see the weekly spreads for the month, for the weeks of this year, last year, and the year before that, please be sure to check out my Instagram @planlikethat, the same way it's spelled here. For this year's theme, I was doing the flower of the month for every single month, inspired by Shada Campbell's yearly theme, I believe last year or the year before that. For this month's flower, it's like it's something with a G. I can't say it. Gladiacious. I don't know. I really don't know my flowers. It was so funny while I was filming this, or I was sketching this out. I had no idea what this flower looked like, so I had to Google it, right? And then I looked at it and I was like, wait a minute, don't I own this flower? And I do, I really do own this flower. They're fake flowers, but I have a whole bouquet in yellow of these flowers. And I thought it was hilarious. Now I know the name of them, right? I said yellow, but I used the color orange for this spread. There's a lot of yellow flowers. There's a lot of white flowers that I used yellow for. So I thought I'd switch it up a bit and make these ones orange. I believe there are orange flowers of this kind. I think, if I Googled it right, so just made these ones orange. These ones remind me of the hibiscus flower as well, but these ones come in like a large stem, and they're quite nice, they're quite pretty. I don't think I did them justice in this spread, but here we are. I colored them in with my Crayola colored pencil, both in orange and in green. And right now I'm outlining the actual month word with my 05 micron pen. RIP to my Staedtler Fineliner. RIP. Now I'm outlining the circle with my 005. Did I mention I outlined the actual flower with my 005? Because I did. I did. Moving on to the next page. I don't know where that missing footage went. Oh, actually, I think it was extremely blurry, so I just cut it out. This is the actual monthly spread for the month of August. So I'm just coloring in the petals that I already sketched out before filming. I'm coloring them in with an orange, red, and an actual orange for some dimension. And so here I am, coloring away. Woohoo! Color time! I'm sorry for my camera going in and out of focus again. It didn't give me this problem 2 years ago, or even last year. Did it give me problems last year? I think it did. Gotta fix it somehow, or buy a new camera, which I do not have the money for. Oh goodness. Here I am coloring in the green parts of the stem and of the actual buds itself. Flower buds itself with my magical, wonderful, fantastic, double-sided Crayola colored pencil. Feel free to copy me and sharpen the wrong side of your color pencil too. What a failure. Whipped out the 005 micron pen to outline the entire depiction of this flower. I liked how it really did take up the entire space of this area on the side of the calendar itself. I think it looks fantastic. kind of wish I did this for the rest of the months of the year, but I didn't. But it really makes this spread in particular stand out compared to the rest of them. Quite like it, quite like it. Moving on to the actual monthly setup itself. First, I'm going to outline the word August with my 0.5 micron pen, making it really thick and stand out real nice. I hope I go over the downstrokes, wait a minute, yes I do, to replicate the calligraphy style that is super popular over on Instagram and on YouTube as well. I can't do it with the supplies I have, probably with my Crayola markers, but don't want to damage that, and also I'm not good at it, so fake it till you make it, you know? Next, I'm outlining the lines for the actual monthly setup itself. I'm using my 005 for this, as I do not want them to stand out as much as the word August, just because I don't want this spread to look super busy, especially after I fill it out. It might be a little bit too much if the lines are super thick. So I'm sticking with my 005 at the moment, just outlining or drawing in the vertical lines and the horizontal lines. No ruler needed here, because this is my calendar and I do what I want to, I do what I want to, I do what I want to. Filling in the top right corner of each and every square. Add a little bit more spice in my life. You know what I should have done? I should have colored or added some color to the actual month name. I think that would have looked good. Keep that in mind for next year. And then after that, I am adding the days of the week over at the top. Had to make a tiny little S above the Sunday square. Barely had any room up there, but I definitely wanted to make room to write out the word August, so squished it at the tippy top. And then with my 005, I'm just adding the numbers of the days to the actual calendar itself, so I can stay on track with the days. And flipping the page over to the last part of all of my monthly setups, I am setting up the mood tracker and the notes. But just to switch things up a bit, I'm picking up my Crayola color pencils first and filling in the key for my mood tracker before writing the word notes. Crazy! But now that they have the 0.5 micron pen in my hand, I'm moving back up to the top of the page and writing out the word mood tracker as seen here, and I'm going to the bottom of the right hand page and adding the word notes at the bottom for my brain dump of sorts. I don't know, I just like writing the word notes instead. Coming back in with my Crayola colored pencils, I'm using the green to color in all of the stems and the leaves of the actual flower. I really like this green color, it stands out real nice, it looks real pretty. Quite enjoy it, quite enjoy it. And then after that's done, I'm coming in with my 005 micron pen to outline each and every leaf and stem. I believe with this pen, since it's still in my hand, I will be outlining the actual flowers itself so you can see them soon. And later on in the month, I will be coloring in every single petal with the mood that I have for that day. Still using my 005 here. Are you guys going back to school? If you are, this month or next month? Very curious. I also need to check the age range of the people that watch me, or else that question would have been very irrelevant. These flowers kind of look like windmills the way I drew them. It's cool. I like the geometric look. Just adding in the numbers now, making sure I have enough petals for the entire month. But I think this mood tracker turned out pretty great. I wish there wasn't a lot of empty space over on the top. I maybe could have added a butterfly or something. But that's pretty much it for this monthly setup. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and tell your friends that I post a new monthly setup every single month of this year. And if they would like to see the weekly spreads, to feel free and check out my Instagram account at planlikethat, the same way it's spelled here. I have close-ups of weekly spreads and monthly spreads from this year, last year, and the year before that. I'm quite organized when it comes to this stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!